Hello everyone, this is Vinuta IG Maharani Science College for Women Mysore. Today's topic is Big Data Analytics. The objective of this lecture is to learn about the importance of big data. Now coming to the importance of big data. The big data analytics is needed revolution field of information technology. The use of data analytics the company is enhanced every year. Big data has the properties of high variety volume, velocity. Big data involves the use of the analytic technique, live machine learning, data mining, natural language processing, and statistics with the help of big data. Big data analytics helps organizations to work with their data efficiently and use that data identify new opportunities. Different techniques and algorithms can be applied to predict from data. These are the importance of big data. Cost savings, time reductions, understand the market conditions, control online reputation. Now move on the first step, cost saving. Some tools of big data like Hadoop, cloud-based analytics can bring cost advantage to business when large amount of data and there can identify more efficient of business. Next, time reduction. The high speed of tools like Hadoop and in-memory analytics can easily identify new source of data which help business analyzing data immediately and make quick decision based on the learning. Next, understand the market conditions. By analyzing big data can get a better understanding of current marketing conditions. For example, by analyzing customer purchase behavior, a company can find out products that are sold the most product according to distract by this product can get a head of his competitor. Next, control online reputation. Big data tools can do sentimental analyzing, therefore you can get feedback who is saying about your company. If you want to monitor and improve the online presence of your business, then big data tools can help in all this. Then next, using big data analytics to solve advertiser problem and offer marketing insights. Example, Netflix. Then last step is big data analytics as a driver of innovation and product developments. Example, Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods. The conclusion, big data analytics helps organizations to work with their data efficiently and use that data identify new opportunities. Different techniques and algorithms can be applied to predict from data. Importance of data, cost saving, time reduction, understand the market condition, control online reputation, to solve advertiser problem, innovation and product developments. Thank you.